There are 10 levels of fashion, and most people never get past level 4. Let's see where you're at, starting with level 1, the don't care stage. This is where everyone starts. You wear whatever's clean, whatever's easy. Fashion isn't even on your radar, no thought to fit, color or style. You just throw something on and go. You might catch yourself in a photo one day and realize something needs to change. Level 2, the awakening stage. Fashion enters your mind for the first time. You start noticing outfits, saving pictures, watching style videos. You're not dressing better yet, you're just observing. Your algorithm shifts, and suddenly you're seeing fashion everywhere. Level 3, the make it work stage. You start experimenting with what you already own. Layering, rolling sleeves, mixing random pieces, trying things that shouldn't work. This is where real creativity gets born. Limitation forces imagination. Level 4, the safe stage. Now you've got some money, so you start buying, but you play it safe. Basics, safe colors, no risks. People start complimenting you more, and your confidence grows. But eventually, safe starts to feel predictable. Level 5, the experimental stage. This is where it gets dangerous. You stop caring about approval and start trying new silhouettes, cuts, and combinations. Some outfits are great, some are disasters, but this is where your actual personal style is born. Level 6, the fly stage. Everything clicks. Proportions, color, layering, it all becomes instinct. Your confidence is real now, not forced. People start asking where you shop. Your presence changes the moment you walk into a room. Level 7, the student stage. You get humbled again. You realize fashion goes deeper than you thought. You start studying old shows, archive fashion, designer history. Fashion stops being outfits and starts being art, culture, and history. Level 8, the gatekeeping stage. This stage ends a lot of people's growth. You get so confident you start looking down on beginners. Fashion becomes about ego and validation instead of creativity. It's a trap, but it's also part of the journey. Level 9, the purpose stage. You stop caring about being the flyest in the room. You realize your knowledge has value, so you start using it, starting a brand, a channel, mentoring others. Fashion becomes contribution instead of self-validation. Level 10, the legacy stage. The highest level, fashion becomes a career, a purpose, an art form. You're not trying to look better than anyone anymore. You're inspiring people to create fearlessly. This is where fashion becomes legacy. So, what level are you at? Drop it in the comments. Let me know, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Peace.